Hello, I'm John, the creator of Speak British English. In this video, you're going to learn how to pronounce these two words like a British native. You're also going to learn how you can get a month of free access to my online British pronunciation school. Let's start with the word Ethereum. Watch as I demonstrate. Ethereum. Ethereum. As you can hear, this word has 4 syllables and the stress is on the second syllable. That means that the second syllable is pronounced high and the other syllables are pronounced low. Listen again, this time I'll demonstrate very slowly. Ethereum. Ethereum. The vowel sound in the second syllable is the diphthong ear. Watch as I demonstrate. Ear. Ear. This diphthong is comprised from the sounds I and Let me demonstrate. I, ear. For the desired effect, it's important to blend the two sounds. Listen as I compare the wrong way with the right way. Ear. Ear. As you can hear, when I do it the wrong way, there seems to be a strong division between the two parts. When I do it the right way, the two parts blend together smoothly. Watch again. Ear. Ear. In fact, when saying a word like Ethereum, you can pronounce the diphthong more like a long monophthong. Let me demonstrate. Air. Ethereum. Air. Ethereum. Notice that for the stressed second syllable, I hold one stable pitch. Listen as I demonstrate the wrong way and the right way. Ethereum. Ethereum. You could say that the diphthong ear occurs twice in the word Ethereum, but that would mean that there are only 3 syllables, with the third syllable being reum. I think most native English speakers would agree that this word actually has 4 syllables, with the third syllable being re and the fourth syllable being If you listen carefully, you'll notice that there seems to be a consonant sound between the third and fourth syllables. Listen carefully. Ethereum. Ethereum. As you can hear, the consonant sound y occurs between these 2 syllables. This is an example of glide. Ethereum. Ethereum. For the first syllable, you can either use the sound or the sound I. Listen as I compare the 2 ways. Ethereum. Ethereum. Because the first syllable is weak, it doesn't really matter which of these 2 vowel sounds you use. Listen again. Ethereum. Ethereum. There are 3 consonant sounds in this word. The first is th. Watch as I demonstrate. Th. Th. To make this sound, I'm using the same mouth shape that I use for the sounds th and v. The difference is that I'm sticking out my tongue. Watch carefully. Ethereum. Notice that my tongue is sticking out quite far. It should look like you have 2 bottom lips. Ethereum. The next consonant is r. Watch carefully. R. Ethereum. R. Ethereum. If you look carefully, you'll see that I'm using the same mouth shape that I used for the previous sound. The difference is that now my tongue is curled back. Watch as I compare the 2 sounds. Th. r, f, r. The final consonant is m. To make this sound, simply press your lips together. M. Ethereum. The word ether has 2 syllables, and the stress is on the first syllable. Listen as I demonstrate. Ether. Ether. As you can hear, the first syllable is high and the second syllable is low. Ether. Ether. The vowel in the first syllable is E, and the vowel in the second syllable is The sound E is confusing for many learners of English. That's because sometimes it's pronounced long and sometimes it's pronounced short. Compare the following words. Ease, east, ease, east. As you can hear, for this word, the vowel sounds long, while for this word, the vowel sounds short. That's because in ease, the vowel is followed by a voiced consonant, while in east, the vowel is followed by an unvoiced consonant. Listen again. Ease, east. In the word ether, the vowel is followed by the unvoiced consonant th, and so it's pronounced short. Listen again. Ether, ether. To learn more about the sounds, concepts and techniques covered in this video, follow the link in the description to my online school. I currently have 4 courses covering all aspects of British pronunciation, with video lectures, quizzes, usage examples, vocal exercises and listening exercises. You can try all the courses for free, and full membership is available for only £15.97 a month. Use coupon code YouTube to get your first month free. Thanks for watching.